Okay, so hello, welcome to Falcon.in's YouTube channel, and today video is about how to add custom components in Sketchware Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates of channel, and also if you want any help from me, then join our Telegram group, Falcon World. Okay, here I will help you about anything of Sketchware, and the group link is also available in the any video description. You can simply click on the link and download and join our group. Or if you want to protect your Sketchware apps from hackers, and then you can see this video. This is very helpful for you. Okay, and keep share our videos with your friends. So now let's get started. So first of all, you need the Sketchware Pro. I downloaded this from Facebook or a Telegram. Okay. Now, wait, I show you. Now here I am going to developers tools section. So here you will see create component, and if you want a video on create event, mode configuration, block manager, block selector, menus, then then write comment in the comment box of the video. I will make video. So first of all, here you need to add the component name, like I am adding JSON. Component ID is must be greater than 36, like I am adding here component ID to 37. And here you need to add the component name, like simply you need to copy this here, and here you need to add component icon. So you can like I am selecting this JSON, and here you need to add component description. JSON is used to collect data from any websites. Okay, so here you need to add variable name. You can simply add this JSON type class is JSON build class JSON, and this is optional. If you want to add documentation URL, then you can add this. So this is also optional, and this is optional. You and if you want to add, then you can add. So custom import is important. This is not optional. You need to add custom import if you want to add any libraries in your project. So like here I am adding org dot jsop. So okay, now I added this because jsop library is available in this. So our component is added here, and if you want to edit your component, then you can click on edit and edit your component. Or if you want to delete component and click on yes, then your component will be automatically deleted. Okay, and also I will give you this component .json file. Okay, so now I am opening my project here, and you can see new component is added here. JSON is used to collect data from any website. So our component is added here. So point to be noted, after creating component you need to also add the component library by going to local library section. So here I already downloaded JSON library. Okay, so you need to also go to empty manager. Okay, libs org and JSON. So first you need to delete config file of the library because is used this is used to add custom import in this section. Okay, so we do not need this here, so I am removing config file. So you can see this is wait a minute. So I found a bug in remove this. So if you add library one time, then you will not delete library from here. You need to delete library manually from any file manager. So now I am adding library. So you can see the app is crashed again. Okay, okay, need to again delete file 685 data 684 local library, and you can see there is no package name here, so this is crashed. So sketchware is crashed. Okay, so the next matter is to add library in sketchware is different. So like here I add here hello. Wait a minute. So here if I add JSON, our component is added, but one problem I am facing, you will not add library by using sketchware. You need to add library by empty manager. So I wish modders will fix this. Okay, now if I run this project, then you will see what happened. Okay, this will take some time, I don't know why. So Java is compiling here, and I know this will show errors because we do not add library org.json, and you can see JSON private JSON that we add in that the component is not ready. So the component did not add our custom import in the list. I don't know why. Okay, wait, I show you. I already added. Wait, I show you. I already added here custom import, but component did not add. Wait. But component did not. But Sketchware did not add component custom import file. So wait, I show you. Okay, wait, I delete component. Now I am again adding component, and you can see can see here already I had, but our custom import is not added in the list of custom import. Okay, so we cannot add components here. You can see I am compiling Java. I am compiling. Oh, delete this token private. Okay, so I wish modders will fix this. You can only add component in Sketchware, but you cannot run your project by using your custom component. So today video is done. So subscribe my YouTube channel and also let. So if you want any help from me, then you can join our Sketchware group. Telecom World group. But here I will teach you about Sketchware and many more things. Okay, but see you in the next video.